My name's Melinda, and in this video I am going to show you 10 signs for family members. First, I'm going to share a quick tip with you. It helped me remember when I was learning sign language, is that boy signs tend to happen at the forehead, and that signs for girls happen around the chin. So that little tip helps me remember which sign to use. The first sign we're going to do is mom, and it's a one-handed sign, and you have your hand shaped like this, just 5 fingers out, your thumb touches your chin, like this. Mom. I'll show you from this side. Mom. The next one I'm going to show you is dad, and it is almost exactly the same sign, except instead of on the chin, it's on the forehead. So again, you have the 5 hand, and your thumb touches your forehead. Dad. From the side, dad. The next sign is for baby, and it looks a lot like rocking a baby. So you put one hand on top of the other like this, and rock them back and forth. Baby. The next sign is sister, and this sign starts at the chin because it's a girl's sign. You use 2 hands for this sign, and both of your hands look like L's. Okay? The right hand or dominant hand comes from the chin and comes down on top of the other hand. I'll do it slow. Sister. And then from the side, sister. And the next one, brother, is again almost exactly the same, except it starts at your forehead instead of your chin, because it's a boy sign. So 2 L hands, starts at your forehead, touches the other hand, brother. And from the side, so the next one is grandma, and grandma is very similar to the sign for mom. Again, you have one hand in a 5 shape. Your thumb touches your chin and comes out 1, kind of bounces out. It helps me to think about as being like mom, but 1 more generation. So from the side, grandma. Grandma. Okay. And the next one is grandpa, which is almost the same sign as grandma, except it's on the forehead. So again, you have your 5 hand shape. Your thumb touches the forehead and comes out 1 time. Grandpa. The next one is cousin, and cousin is a one-handed sign, and your hand is in the shape of like a C, which makes sense, right? And if it's a girl cousin, it'll be down here by the chin, so it'll be cousin. You just shake your hand, cousin. And if it's a boy cousin, it'll be up closer to the forehead, cousin. The next one is aunt. Aunt, you use your hand in the shape of an A. This is sign language A. Your thumb is on the side of your hand, so closed fist, thumb on the side. And then down by your chin again, you're just going to give it a little shake. Aunt. And uncle, you use the sign language U. So 2 fingers straight up, touching each other. And then up by your forehead, a little shake. Uncle. Uncle. So those are some signs for family members. Thank you for watching.